Testing this has been so great. I have never heard of the brand, but now trying it out, I can't wait to share the word out. It's really good, and for the value of money, I think it's one of the best EVs in the market right now. So you might want to do a test drive in the nearest Umoda Jayco in your city.
Akong experience ini nga atong pag-test drive an iya steering wheel hin malaksi diri matiga, and an iya mga features maupay extraordinary, and actually maupay ya drivean promise, as in basic na basic.
Thank you Umoda and Jayco for inviting us here in your event. Yung event nyo is organized and yung food stamps up. Super sarap. Thank you!
So far, a good start of Umoda in terms of connecting with banks, local governments, and other partnership that will be involved in the future here in the Indigenous.
Ang ganda-ganda ng mga cars nila ngayon. Yung dinala nila is yung Omoda C5 at yung Jayco EJ6. Contrasting sila kasi yung isa gas, yung isa full electric. So it's very nice na dinala nila yung dalawang different type of car para ma-experience ng mga taga-Tacloban kung ano yung offer or ano yung mga cars na pwede nilang bilhin or pwede nilang ma-experience with Omoda Jayco. Hopefully, meron na tayong makikita mga fully electric and very futuristic cars na, mag-biyahe-biyahe dito sa Tacloban very, very soon. So, yeah.